Welcome everyone to this year's Laboratory Transformation Seasonal School. I'm Anine van Deventer, CEO of LabFind, and with me I've got my co-host Louise Beretta Venter, LabFind Lead Instructor. This year we are doing things a little bit different. We are hosting the event from the World Health Expo here at the CCITC, Cape Town, South Africa. Around us is an inspiring environment with a whole lot of stuff going on and so much innovation. But Louise, just tell me, what can the attendees look forward to over the next 2 days?
Thanks, Anine. Over the next 2 days, we have a selection of international speakers, all who are passionate about transforming the way labs work. And yes, I agree, walking around the WHX can be very daunting. There's a lot of technology, there's a lot of overwhelming new innovation. But what we're going to achieve with our LabFind Transformational Seasonal School is to simplify and to inspire you and give you practical tips and new roadmaps on how to transform your labs. We're also going to share strategies on how to make an impact, and together we can build better labs for the future.
Absolutely. So before we dive in, I just want to make it clear that we have shared a link in the chat to the prospectus, which is your guide of the program that we will follow over the next 2 days. And there you will also be able to learn more about our speakers. We will have 3 speakers a day, and between them there will be a 10-minute break. And at the end of the 3 speakers for each day, there will be a panel discussion handling all the questions. So please drop your questions in the Q&A as we progress throughout the day, and then our speakers will attend to them at the end.
Thank you very much. And let's get on to the first speaker.